Hello YouTube, I'm Konstantin.
I'm David.
We are pediatrician brothers, and today's video gonna be about formula feeding. The first thing we need to say is that formula feeding is no replacement for breast milk, so breastfeed as long as you can, and it is typically used if mother doesn't have sufficient breast milk and we need to supplement it, or there is any other medical condition that requires formula feeding. One of the most frequent questions, David, is about how much daily formula should the child intake. So what is it?
Yeah, so according to the weight and the age of the child, we can calculate the approximate volume of the feeding. For example, for neonates, daily volume can be 30 to 60 milliliters per kilogram. After that, we slightly increase the volume to 150 milliliters per kilogram for children up to 3 months old. From 3 to 6 month old children, the daily volume can be 120 milliliters per kilogram, and from 6 to 12 months, it can be 100 milliliters per kilogram. So, Konstantin, should parents observe any kind of routine during the formula feeding?
No, in this regard, we should make the same route as during breastfeeding. We should always detect the feeding cues, which are fussiness, mouthing, rooting, crying, and feed baby on the demand.
We should not forget that there is a myth regarding the water supplementation in formula-fed children, which is not true because there are certain risk factors. So the children who are under 6 months, the source of the water is either the breast milk or the formula.
And before we finish today's video, we should say that formula feeding, especially specialized formula feeding, might be very important for treating certain disorders, and in some cases it might be even life-saving. For example, in disorders like inborn errors of metabolism, like phenylketonuria, galactosemia, etc. For example, in cow's milk allergy, lactose intolerance, and even gastroesophageal reflux, some of the formulas might be very important. Although they are no substitute for breast milk, in these kind of cases, they might be very, very important.
So right now, I would like to thank you for tuning in. Please like the video and subscribe if you like our channel, if you like the topics that we are discussing. And you can also comment down below which topics would be interesting for you in the future.